Hey butterflies, welcome back to my channel. It's LD Guevaro's vlog. Today for this channel, I am gonna be opening this slime kit from the mall. I bought it basically just like this fidget store, a little stand, and I bought it from here. Very cute. So we're gonna get started opening it. So I took the wrapping off at first because it was all like tied up and that would take too long for this video. So let's get started. Ooh, what is this? Oh, there's a slime. Very cool. Oh, this one wants to get out already. So we're gonna see what these are. They're all slimes. Whoa. All these slimes. There's all glitters. So let's add them back into the box. Very cute. I love it. Let's add this one back to the box. Very cute.
1,000 years later.
Okay. Sorry guys. So thank you guys for watching for my videos. I love you butterflies a lot. You guys are the best. And I will see you guys in the next video.